So today I'll be showing you how to connect your JBL Charge 6 to any smart TV using a cable. Okay, so I'm going to use a Type-C to Type-C cable, and you can do this if you want to get lossless audio on your JBL Charge 6. So what you need to do is find a Type-C port at the back of your TV. Now, most TVs won't have a Type-C port unless you have a very modern smart TV, but you can use an adapter like this one. So this is a Type C female and Type A male, and that should go into the USB port at the back of your TV. Like that. And then you can put one end of your Type C to Type C cable into that adapter, effectively connecting it to the back of your TV. And then now you want to grab your Charge 6 and you want to press and hold the play button. Okay, not sure you can see that clearly. Press and hold the play button, and while you're holding that play button, you can go ahead and now connect the other end of the cable into the Type-C port on the speaker. Now you'll notice the Bluetooth light goes off immediately, and now the speaker is connected to the TV. And just to confirm, you can see the light on the speaker is off, the Bluetooth light is off. And when you go to your TV, just to confirm the sound output device, I'm going to go into settings, all settings, sound, and you can see our output device is a JBL Charge 6 connected via USB. So that is basically how to connect your JBL Charge 6 to your smart TV via a cable for that lossless audio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.